Hi, folks. It's time to talk about the law of sines, which is one of the most important ways that trigonometry is used in applications, and we'll talk about some of the applications too. So let me kind of set you up to what's going on. What I have here is a red triangle and a blue triangle, and they share a side. The red triangle has a bigger angle A, and the opposite side to A is bigger compared to the blue triangle, who's got the angle B there on the left, and its opposite side is smaller. Bigger angle, bigger side opposite it. So that's just the way things seem to go. The law of sines expresses that relationship in a very nice way. Let me remind you of something. We're using a pretty standard convention. Capital letter is the angle, and the small letter is the side opposite. So B and B, A and A. So that keeps us from getting confused. Okay, so here's the law of sines. It says A over the sine of A. So A is the side, A, and the other A is the angle, is equal to B over sine of B. And so as one angle changes, the sides all change, and we get this relationship between them. The reason that it's true is actually pretty simple. It goes like this. You take a triangle, and it's got angles A, B, and C, which I've labeled here, and the corresponding sides are A, B, and C, little a, little b, little c, and so there they are there. And to see what's going on, all you have to do is drop a perpendicular, and now we have a height h, and that height h is in both triangles. So that's how we get a formula, is when you have something that appears in two ways. So h is related to the sine of A. So what do we have here? The sine of A is h over b, and the sine of b is h over A. And when you do the algebra, you come out with the law of sines. A times the sine of A. I got that backwards, sorry. B times the sine of A is A times the sine of B. So that's the law of sines, and that's why it's true. Let me show you a quick application, which is in surveying, where you have a baseline, they call it B, and you measure the angles to another point. And so what you have here is B, the baseline, and you have an angle, I don't know, let's call them alpha and gamma. We can't use beta. And now, using the law of sines, we can figure out this third side, C, and this second side, A. And then from there, you can just build up another triangle, and that's how maps are made, and that's the law of sines.